Revelation 19 verse 11 And I saw heaven opened, and behold a white horse, and he that sat upon him was called Faithful and True, and in righteousness he doth judge and make war. Revelation 19 verse 12 His eyes were as a flame of fire, and on his head were many crowns, and he had a name written that no man knew, but he himself. Revelation 19 verse 13 And he was clothed with a vesture dipped in blood, and his name is called the Word of God. Revelation 19 verse 14 And the armies which were in heaven followed him upon white horses, clothed in fine linen, white and clean.
Excellent.
Thank you for joining this journey through the Revelation story. If this music-driven presentation lifted your spirit or deepened your understanding of the King who is coming, take a moment to like, share, and leave a comment. And if you haven't already, subscribe and tap the notification bell so you stay connected as we continue creating cinematic teachings that point hearts back to Jesus.